How to send direct messages on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Search for the person you want to send direct messages to, or if you don't find their email here, simply click on search option at the top and search for their message. After that, at the bottom left, you'll find reply. Click on it. Then you can simply reply to their message. You can type anything. You can also click on the pin option at the top right and add photos and files. After you're done, press on send and you're good to go. This is how to send direct messages on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.